Welcome to our neighborhood in spring. Something very exciting is about to happen. Spring is a very special time of year. It is when babies are born. Here is Mrs. Bird. She is hiding something very special for 4 babies. Mrs. Bird is a robin. Unlike most birds, robins lay their eggs mid-morning. Robin eggs are small and a pretty light blue. The eggshell is made of calcium. There are other animals that live in the neighborhood. Cats. Birds have many predators, including cats, dogs, and other birds. Oh no! The nest is on the ground. Where are all the baby birds? If you look closely, you can find them. But their mother knows where they are. But Mrs. Bird is nervous. She is worried about who is watching. The neighborhood cats have already gotten 2 of her babies. She loves her last 2 and wants to keep them safe. Mrs. Bird is really busy feeding these hungry chicks. This one can't quite fit the worm. Wait, make a little more room. Ah, there, much better. Oh look, some watermelon. Doesn't fit in this mouth. How about this mouth? Maybe she'll just eat it herself. Mother Robin has worked so hard to keep her babies safe. We can only hope that they will survive the night. But remember, in nature there are no good guys or bad guys, only predators and prey.